Number 1. Rose Quartz Jade Roller. He or she will roll their way to glowing skin with this top-rated beauty tool. Number 2. Satin Pajama Set. These silky PJs are perfect for a romantic movie marathon. Number 3. Valentine Spa Kit. This 7-piece spa kit comes in a fresh floral scent. Number 4. Chocolate-covered strawberries. Satisfy your Valentine's sweet tooth with a box of these beautiful and delicious berries. Number 5. Love Scented Candle. This cult favorite candle smells like freshly cut roses but will last much longer than a bouquet of flowers. There you have it. If you enjoyed the video and found these suggestions helpful, like and leave a comment. We take time to read and answer everyone. We also provided links for each product in the description below this video. And if you like to get notification, go ahead and smash that red button and subscribe. Don't forget to tap the bell. Thank you for watching.